Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you a tool for checking your page rank domain authority. Probably you can call it an SEO tool. It lets you know what your competition is, where you rank on your Google search results, and what all your competitor is doing and what you will have to do to gain that position on the Google site. So moving on, this is my website and I am going to share with you a most popular SEO tool from Moz. So the domain authority term was coined by this company Moz, and they have tool for measuring your metrics on their Google site and how it is performing, giving you all the details of what your site is doing when a crawler crawls. So when the Google search engine crawler crawls your website and it finds out what is the domain authority, my site is ranking 2 and it has got currently 6 root domains with 5 keywords being on the search list. So there is no spam score as of now. So if I move on to the other metrics that it shows, so just to let you know that this is a free search. If you go for the paid version, you will have to pay $179 per month. So I'm just discussing on how the free version is to be used. So you have probably a few clicks per day, not more than that. If you are looking for a dedicated SEO tool, then you can go for a paid version, or there are many other free SEO tools out there in the market, which I've discussed in my blog. A link you can find in the description. So mentioning that, I made a search first with my website and I'm analyzing the domain, and then I get this report. So the report also says which are my popular pages on the website and what are the top linking domains and what is their domain authority. So as you can see, I have quite a few good domains which have been linked to my site. So these are acting like backlinks basically, so which is a good thing. And also it shows the lost and discovered domains. So the ones in green are the new domains that have been linked to my site, and the one in orange, or you can say amber, are the ones which I lost in the past 60 days. So the number is quite impressive for a pretty new website basically. So this is letting me know what work I need to perform on my website to get my site ranking higher. So as you can see, these are the 5 most popular keywords for my website, and how I should cater to my content related to these keywords. So also it would let me know if there are any branded keywords and what's my keyword distribution. So as you can see, the keyword distribution of my website is pretty good. It's from like 31 to 40, and so yeah, this is keyword ranking distribution, like where my site is ranking with respect to these keywords. So it's a pretty good number. So moving on to the next, it is showing me what my competitors are positioned with for the same keywords and what is their domain authority. So as you can see, these competitors have higher domain authority for the same keywords that my site is catering to, and their visibility is also quite high. So compared to mine, it is high, but not as high as what your industry standard says. So that's it for my website. But if you go for a pro version, which is a paid version, and you can get a 30-day trial, but you would have to pay, give your credit card details, and if you don't cancel your trial within 30 days, so they would deduct $179 from your account for the next month after the trial expires. So if you are looking for more free options from the same company, then you have an option called as the MozBar, which gives you pretty much same details, but the most important picked ones, which is sufficient for you to work on your site to make it perform better on the SERP page, and also it gives you the details of what your site metric sees. So let me show how it has to be done. It's an extension for Chrome, so you will have to go to Chrome extension and find your MozBar and go to add Chrome. I can give you the link in the description, and also it's mentioned in my blog, so you don't have to worry. So once that extension is getting added, so I'm not syncing, so it has already been added to my account. So if I go here, I would see these, yeah, so this has been added to my extension list. So let me go to my website and try and open this MozBar and see how it is performing. So I'm just closing this. So to access the MozBar, it is asking us to log in through a free account. So you can go for sign up. So as I had already signed up earlier, so when I tried signing up, it is saying this email already exists. So I've logged into my account and it has started showing me the metrics that is available for this site. So now if I go back to the same website, which is my website, and go for the plugin is already pinned, so you can see here. So it is saying the page authority for my home page here is 9, and there's one link, one backlink, and the domain authority is 2. So spam score is nearly negligible. So with the, for any other metric that you want to look for, you will have to go for the premium version of the bar. But I guess the page authority and domain authority are sufficient enough with the free version to understand what you have to improve on your web page. And also there are many other free tools which can give you other metrics available for your page related to the SERP, Google SERP result page. So that's it for this video. I hope this has helped you in understanding how to use Moz for free. If you want more such videos, don't forget to comment, and please do like and subscribe. You can also check my YouTube video which is related to other digital marketing techniques in my channel. So thank you for watching.